Dun 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 dun. Boom boom.
It's not like.
That's a crazy ass shit, but bitch.
Just like the regular toy cars, just like driving in front of
1v1 me, you dumb cars. Oh shit! Ooh, boom, boom.
Hang ha! Ow, my foot!
Hi, that's what I get. Ah! Finally, can you have this lollipop?
Just like say, girls, if you're 16 or 17, love me. I would date you.
A bit this.
Put it in your mouth. My God.
Make love with you.
Put this in your mouth.
And slap your butt.
Yeah. Don't you joke about that.
Hey, girls, you like my new car?
I know how to drive.
This costs like $1 million.
Actually, no. My car?
That's old bitch. You like my cars? It's my cars.
Look it.
Like this is my car for my birthday. I can drive. I have my driver license. It's right here. I know it's a special lollipop. This is my key. So just say shaved it and like you put it inside. Oh shit! And this is my my money. Look how rich I am. Hey Vista, you know how rich I am? Look at this bag. Vista! Look at this. This is all the money. Say, oh, you can say, that's so rich.
Hey, what is this?
That's a chicken nugget piece. It's called chicken nugget. And here's my house. I didn't buy another house. It sucks. Alright. And this is my my backup bag. Yeah.
And I fuck.
And there's my intro. Okay.
No.
Watch rotate. Okay.
Wait. Which one's taller?
Okay, guys. Who weighs? The reason it's the spin trap, so you have to go.
Wait, the train. We can make a train. Hurry up, grab all of the chairs you can get.
But I'm last because it's supposed to be smaller than medium and short. Then tall.
Come on, bring all the chairs. Is this serious?
Okay.
Bring your chair. Hello.
And these are all my.
I will fuck.
Now you have to hold this.
No, Vanna, cricket. It's cricket. No, a little bit this way.
Grab all the chairs, John.
Wait, it's supposed to be. Oh yeah, okay.
Come on, go that chair.
Supposed to be perfect.
Don't throw that one.
It's alright.
Hey, you wanna watch me do the orange justice? Put the camera to me.
I'm ready, guys. Choose your seat.
I'll use my
Same seat.
Hey, can you be Bonnie too?
Perfect, Vanna. In line.
I'm ready, kid.
How? Wow, girl, you're pretty.
What?
and sexy. I think I got it. Dude. I'm Vanna, the wheel is right in front of you. So Tim, you're supposed to move. And suddenly,
We're still turning.
where'd the Vanna go?
What's with the car? We're inside the car! Choose your seat.
So, does it not mean that we have to be right here, though?
Yes.
Move this fucking chair. But we have to be separate. So, Sotum, you have to be over there.
Move the chair over there.
Hey, where's mine?
Boy, also.
My fucking lollipop.
Wait, get up. Get up.
Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still
How much minute?
6.
My turn. Okay.
Why? Because you gotta choose your car.
Fine.
Jump.
There's
Stand
5
right here.
seats. You know that there's another seat over there.
Yeah.
It will show us there's a driver's seat there.
Choose a car.
Wait, but don't we have to be over here, coming out?
Yes.
Sotum, you too.
Choose your character. No, we have to be up there.
Oh my fucking god. Oh.
Stop! Choose your character
Just be
first.
over here.
Wait, that's not perfect.
Huh?
You're ugly as fuck. Fuck you.
Yoshi!
Bullshit.
I think no. Titan Yoshi!
Let's go.
Sotum?
T-pose Yoshi.
I
Choose
choose
your
first.
car.
I choose first.
Yoshi.
Oh man, why I can't pick a visible car?
Customize, Vanna.
Super Ultra Blaster.
Yoshi.
You supposed to go like this. Haha! First.
Middle.
Back. Seats. Ting, ting.
Wow.
Wheels. Ting, 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 ting. Dark Dragon Lamborghini.
Yeah. Visible Lamborghini.
Shadow Lamborghini, actually. Bruh. You're ruining the moment.
Yeah, you want the moment.
Yeah, do the customize.
And there's my dog.
Mika. It's customized with Mika.
You leaving?
Stop. Choose your car.
Huh? Here, can I have this?
Dude, I
Wait,
didn't buy
wait.
it.
I-
Yeah, hold it or eat
Yeah,
it?
just eat it.
wait.
Not on my phone too.
I pick Lamborghini X2 XD.
Die. On my birthday, can you give me a Lamborghini? I mean, not a Lamborghini, a Mustang.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. No, you can eat it. Or let Vanna have it. Bye, Vanna. Say bye to the YouTube. Vanna, Wiesla, bye. Yeah, that's. Say bye to the YouTube. Okay. Yeah, that's his full nipples. Okay. It's my dog too.